because this is not it. This is not it. Hello friends, this is Veronica. You know what time it is? It's a cafecito time. Today we're going to review a brand new capsule by Nespresso, so make sure you stick around. Hello friends, this is Veronica. Welcome to my channel, House of Cid. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. This channel is all about coffee. I make videos about coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, everything from the wonderful world of coffee. And today I have a brand new capsule from Nespresso called Golden Caramel. So this is from their Barista Creations, and it's the reformulated capsule, which previously used to be called caramel cookie. And I have a little, secret, or a little something to admit to you guys. I never tried caramel cookie. I didn't try all of the Barista Creations previously because the ones I did try, I didn't really like. I wasn't a big fan of them. So I'm excited to try these new versions, these new reformulations. They've been reimagined. I don't know. Let's get into it. So this one is called Golden Caramel. Creamy and biscuity, it says on the website. It is $12.50 per box, so that is $125 a capsule. And let's see what it says. Barista Creations flavored golden caramel. So this is golden caramel anytime the moment calls for it. It starts with the sweet taste and velvety texture of Latin American, African Arabicas. We blend in a classic caramel flavor, and layers of goodness open up. Biscuity caramel notes gives this coffee the sink your teeth into the cake vibe. Oh, I like the way that sounds. Bringing the weekend mood any day. No permission needed. Insider tip, with a dash of milk, the caramel and biscuit notes cannot be missed. Okay, so I am a fan of coffees that have caramel notes, or I should say biscuit notes, cereal notes, those kind of notes. So yeah, the box is pretty simple. It just has this like little wave design here. Nothing too fancy. Let's open it up. And this is for the virtual machine. I have my little machine there. And this is what the capsule looks like. Kind of yellowy, caramelly color with like a swirl. Golden caramel, it says there. Can you see? 7.7 ounces, coffee. Yeah, let's try it. So I'm going to just taste it hot with milk, and then we could try it cold. Let me know if you have already bought this, tried it, what you think. I did buy all the new Barista Creation flavors, except for the roasted hazelnut, which is not available yet. But as soon as that becomes available, I will try it. But now I'm thinking, maybe I will try the hazelnut muffin, or what is that one called? I don't even know. Hazelino muffin. So that's the old one, and the new one that's supposed to be coming is called roasted hazelnut, which is not available yet. So maybe I'll buy that one, and then I could do an actual side-by-side comparison. I did not like the vanilla custard pie previous version. I do have the new sweet vanilla that I'm going to try, so we shall see. But yeah, this one I never tasted the old version of it, so I'm hoping this new version is good. And I typically don't add sugar or sweeteners. I mean, I do like to add syrups here and there, and when I do, it's usually a sugar-free syrup, or sometimes I'll buy like the flavored creamers, but my everyday coffee is just coffee with half and half, so that's how I'm going to try it. I do like the new capsule. It's pretty. Okay. So there it is, a lot of crema, a lot of foam. as you can see. Okay. I am getting a little bit of the caramel, but why did I get a whiff of like coconut? That was weird. Okay, it's not very aromatic. It's not very aromatic as I would think it would be for a flavored coffee, but let's mix it. So I'm gonna taste it just like that, black. You know what? It comes out pretty hot, because I know some people have complained that the machine sometimes doesn't make some of the coffees hot. This is hot. I taste no caramel flavor in this. Golden caramel. I don't taste any flavor whatsoever. I don't know if it's my taste buds. And no, I'm not sick. I don't really taste any caramel flavors, so let's add some half and half, some creamer. Let's see if that helps bring out some of the flavors. That is pretty weird. I'm not tasting any caramel, you guys. This is like weird. So, like I said, I never tried the caramel cookie previously. So if you tried it, let me know if it was very caramelly flavor, very kind of flavorful, because this one, very mild, very light. I honestly feel like I'm just drinking like a mild coffee. Like, I don't taste any caramel whatsoever. Yeah, not, I don't know. I don't hate it, but I don't, like, I'm not gonna buy this coffee just to drink it and have no flavor, no caramel. That's odd. Okay, let's do this. I have some syrups here. Let's try and add some caramel and see if that helps. I seriously don't know if it's me, but I don't really taste any caramel whatsoever. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the Torani caramel. This is a sugar-free syrup, but it's caramel, which I do enjoy on my regular coffee. Okay. Wow, that's kind of a bummer. Okay. Obviously, it's going to taste more caramelly because I added the caramel syrup. So, yeah, it's okay. It's not my favorite. I don't dislike it as much as I disliked the vanilla custard pie. That one was no bueno. I gave that coffee away. But it's kind of disappointing when you buy a coffee that's supposed to be flavored and it doesn't taste like that flavor. I don't get it, you guys. I don't even want to make it iced because, like, what's the point? Let's see. Flavors blend with delights with classic caramel flavor combined with sweet biscuit notes. Maybe I get a little biscuity notes, but I definitely don't really get any caramel. It's not bitter. It's not very acidic. It's pretty mild as far as like intensity wise of the coffee, but you guys, this one's kind of a dud. Yeah, I would say skip it. If you really truly love flavored coffee, like caramel flavor, just buy your favorite whatever capsule and add caramel to it, because this one is yeah, it's it's whatever. I don't even want to say it's bad because it's not bad, but I think it's worse when a coffee is not really good or really bad. It's just kind of like in the middle, like whatever. Yeah, that's it. I'm not even gonna make it ice, you guys. That's how underwhelmed I am with this coffee. It's a very blah, very mediocre, I want to say. A little disappointing for an espresso. Yeah, I'm not impressed with this one at all. So anyways, my final thoughts are, if you truly love flavored coffee and caramel, don't buy this one. Just find another coffee, or like I said, add caramel syrup or caramel flavored creamer to your favorite coffee, because this is not it. This is not it. But yeah, anyways, I hope you like these videos. I will be making review videos for the rich chocolate coffee and the sweet vanilla coffee and the roasted hazelnut when it does become available. So in the meantime, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Make sure you're liking our videos and leave me a comment. Let me know, have you tried this? Were you looking forward to trying this coffee? I'm like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this coffee. I hate to waste coffee, but it's really bleh. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next cafecito time. Bye.